मिस्टर राजा, किसी जमाने में गवर्नमेंट और कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल बॉडीज बोनाफाइड लिटिगेंट समझे जाते
जी
थे।
जी जी।
अब तो ईसीपीबी मुकदमा जीतने आई है लाइक एन ऑर्डनरी
They are
लिटिगेंट।
acting as if there are adversaries. They should be independent, impartial arbiters of the election process.
They have come before us to behaving like an ordinary litigant.
Absolutely.
They want to win the case.
Their interest
By any
should be,
means.
I bow, their interest should be to give effect to the will of the people. I don't see that happening. The suppression of documents in the case they have chosen to highlight. I have not chosen to file my documents. They filed my documents forcing me
नहीं
to
सलमान साहब,
file my
हमने
ticket.
सुन ली बार
जी,
बार
अब
आप
let
कोई
me just-
बात कर रहे हो।
Now let me read through my points. And I immediately withdrew it. And they accept the withdrawal. But what they suppress from the court is what is available in CMA 5917.
Second, need to pull that out. 5917.
5917.
ये आपने विड्रॉ किया, उसके बाद आपको क्या तस्वुर किया जाए, ये तो नहीं लिखा आपने इसमें।
मैं एक मिनट, bear with me, kindly see.
They're independent और PTI
जी, पेज 23 पे आई, पेज 23 पे आई, ये जरा 5917 के। Sorry, not 23 is Kamal Shawzab, my own
पेज
ticket.
5917.
मैं एक लम्हा गया, my apologies.
What should we see on 5917?
Page 144, page 144,
Email again.
144 पे आ जाइए। This is the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf ticket issued to me. Kindly see at page 144.
Mr. Salman Akram Raja, we are dealing with the case of Ms. Shozab Kamal, not yours.
No, but they have chosen to file my documents. I'm just demonstrating suppression. I'm just demonstrating that they have suppressed documents. Now at page 144 is my ticket, which
5914 में कौन सा पेज है? 5914 में
5917 में जनाब। CMA 5917, page 144.
मिलती नहीं है। 5917 निकालो, जरा तुम सब मिक्स कर दोगे। मैं
Point I'm making is that the documents that they have filed are not the complete documents which were filed before the ROs.
5917
Now,
But one thing.
ये डेट ऑफ सबमिशन इसमें 13 जनवरी की है।
PG 13 January है, which
नहीं,
was,
13 जनवरी नहीं है, 12 जनवरी है।
नहीं सर, kindly see नीचे जो
नो,
दस्तखत हैं।
ऊपर नहीं, आप ऊपर देखिए।
नहीं, आप
नहीं, आप
Yes.
वो किसी के दस्तखत नहीं है। ऊपर जो तारीख
मुझे इशू हुआ 12 जनवरी को।
12 जनवरी को आप स्टैच्यूटरी डिक्लेरेशन फाइल कर रहे हैं, 13 जनवरी को, और नजरियाती दिखा रहे हैं।
मैं अर्ज कर रहा हूँ ना सर, मुझे अर्ज करने दें। ये 12 जनवरी को मुझे इशू हुआ, 13 जनवरी को मैंने ये फाइल कर दिया। नीचे आप देखिए रिसीविंग है, दिस इज द रिटर्निंग ऑफिसर। अगर आप इनकी
रिसीविंग को छोड़िए ना, मगर डॉक्यूमेंट तो एग्जिस्टिंग
मुझे
कर रहा
अर्ज
था
करने
जब आप स्टैच्यूटरी डिक्लेरेशन फाइल कर रहे
कि
हैं।
मुझे अर्ज करने दें, I'm just showing the suppression on their part. Legal implications are a separate matter. Why have they not filed this ticket? This ticket is in fact even discussed in the 2nd February 2024 order passed by the...
But you filed it now, make the point.
The point is simply this, that they have suppressed the record.
भाई चलें आगे बढ़िए ना प्लीज।
मुझे अर्ज करने दें, kindly not. This is a very important point because this entire chart that they filed becomes very suspicious when your lordships realize that this chart is based on suppression of documents.
कौन सा पेज है ये?
Page 144.
Whatever they filed
Sir, मुझे अर्ज करने दें एक लम्हे के लिए. It's very important. They have filed a chart and they've said इतने लोगों ने सिर्फ टिकट जमा
I think
कराया.
it's very important
जी,
in
जी,
this
it's a very
particular
important
case
submission.
because the questions have been raised
जी, जी, about our
regarding the fairness of the elections
अब ये
and the
देखिए,
role of the election commission itself.
I'm grateful, my
If
lord.
it can suppress
जी, जी, जी.
some material
From the Supreme
information
Court.
from us.
From the Supreme Court, kindly see. So my ticket was duly filed with my nomination
कौन
papers.
सा पेज बोल रहे हैं?
Page 144, sir.
144
जी 144 of CMA 5917. मुझे इन्होंने कहा कि हम ये रिसीव ही नहीं करते आपसे टिकट because your party has not been declared entitled to a symbol. So they tried to return this to me. I being the lawyer, I insisted. I said, no, you have to take it and give me a receipt that I've given you this ticket. That is why the RO signed it. The signatures that the court will see at page 144, dated 13/1/2024, are identical to the signatures at page 185, where I withdraw the Nazriyati ticket. So what happened was, this ticket was filed. Then they said, sorry, we will not treat you as PTI candidates because the Supreme Court judgment is there, so withdraw your tickets. They actually returned the tickets. I refused to take it back. I said, no, I'm not going to take my ticket back. You in fact give me a receipt that I filed my ticket. And that is why this receipt was given to me. And yet when they filed these documents with their CMA, they suppressed this ticket to say, I only
Salman
filed.
Raja, you used the word 3-4 times. Can we make the point now?
Point is that the record filed by them is not reliable. Now let me
Okay,
come.
fine. Then is there anything preventing? The matter is being contested in open court. The document is on record. If any party disagrees, disbelieves with a document, they can file their
No,
document.
I've shown from this instance that the documents they have filed are
They
not
are in your possession. I'm sure everybody
they're not
makes
complete.
photocopies. Parties could have brought those on
But they're
record.
in their possession also. All I'm showing is that documents in their possession
get on with the
have
case?
not been filed. Yes, my lord. Now let me come to my 7 points. I was going to do this at the very end, but I've done it.
मिस्टर राजा, किसी जमाने में गवर्नमेंट और कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल बॉडीज बोनाफाइड लिटिगेंट समझे जाते
जी,
थे।
जी, जी।
अब तो ईसीपीपी मुकदमा जीतने आई है लाइक एन ऑर्डिनरी
They are
लिटिगेंट।
acting as if there are adversaries. They should be independent, impartial,
Instead of
arbiters
playing
of the election
information,
process.
they have come before us to behaving like an ordinary litigant.
Absolutely.
They
Their-
want to win the case.
Their interest
By any
should be,
means.
I bow, their interest should be to give effect to the will of the people. I don't see that happening. The suppression of documents in the case they have chosen to highlight. I've not chosen to file my documents. They filed my documents, forcing me
चलिए
to
सलमान साहब,
file my
हमने
ticket.
सुन ली बात,
जी,
बार
अब
आप
let
कोई
me just-
बात कर रहे हो।
Now let me read through my points, hopefully within 10 minutes. Number 1, Kawal Shazab's right to file the appeal and be heard. She heads the PTI Women's Wing. She was one of 2 whose name was included in the list for women's reserved seats filed by PTI. SIC has confirmed that she remains a leading contender in case seats are allowed to SIC. She is directly affected by the outcome of the proceedings before the SC. And I refer to pages 7 and 23 of CMA 5917, in which the list in which her name is included, the women's seats list that PTI filed is there. And at page 23 is the Sunni Ittihad Council certificate recognizing her as a leading contender for a women's seat if they are allowed. So she is not just anybody off the street.
Please, आगे बढ़िए.
Gee, sir,
I mean, what's the point in making these statements off the street?
Lord, allow me to.
I mean, even if she's off the street, she's the highest respect.
Lord.
ये बातें ना करें ना.
उनकी
जरा आगे बढ़ें,
that
please.
she is not entitled to maintain.
Please, आगे बढ़िए.
चलिए. Now, a political party can gain a general seat in 2 ways. Either when one of its ticket holders is declared successful as a result of polling, this would be a directly won seat, or an independent joins it. So general seats can be acquired in 2 ways. Either way, the party is said to have secured or won a general seat. The sole purpose of the proviso in Article 51(6) is to clarify, 51(6)(d) I should say, is to clarify that independents joining a party will be treated as seats won by that party. Nowhere does Article 51(6) speak of directly won general seats. That's a very important distinction. Directly won seats are on polling day. Other seats won are when independents join. They're both general seats. Reserved seats are to be allowed on the basis of general seats. Number 3, the issue of the grant or otherwise of reserved seats to SIC turns on how the phrases each political party and such political party as used in Article 51(6)(d) and E are interpreted, along with the words secured and includes. There is no clear statement that only parties with at least one directly elected seat may be allowed a reserved seat. The interpretation made must advance the basic purpose of the Constitution, which is a representative National Assembly based on facilitation of political parties in the electoral process and the affairs of the House. Granting reserved seats to other parties in a proportion greater than the general seats won would make the National Assembly unrepresentative. Number 4. The judgment of the Peshawar High Court is based on its interpretation of the word includes, and I refer to paras 15 to 17 of that judgment. In particular, I draw the court's attention to paras 15 to 17 of the Peshawar High Court judgment. It has held that since in interpretation clauses the word includes does not imply exclusivity, it cannot imply exclusivity in Article 51(6). It excludes political parties that exclusively consist of independents who have joined them. So this is the reasoning that
आप कहना ही चाहते हैं पीटीआई की होते हुए आप ये कहते हैं कि जो लोग सुन्नी इत्तेहाद में गए वो ठीक गए,
बिल्कुल ठीक है, क्योंकि हमें इंडिपेंडेंट
आपको नहीं चाहिए।
नहीं सर, हमें इंडिपेंडेंट जब डिक्लेयर कर दिया उसके बाद वी हैव जॉइंड सुन्नी इत्तेहाद इन अकॉर्डेंस विद द लॉ, वी वर डिक्लेयर्ड इंडिपेंडेंट। उससे पहले जो भी हुआ वो इलेक्शन कमीशन की गलती है, फॉर दैट वी कांट बी फॉल्टेड। सो आई एम मेकिंग अ केस दैट वंस वी वर डिक्लेयर्ड इंडिपेंडेंट्स वी ड्यूली जॉइंड सुन्नी इत्तेहाद एंड वंस वी जॉइंड सुन्नी इत्तेहाद।
आपका स्टेटमेंट जरा एक दफा फिर आप सोच लें। सपोज अगर हम इस नतीजे पे पहुंचे कि वो गलत गए थे SIC में
जी,
तो आपको नहीं चाहिए?
नहीं सर, देखिए the constitution has to be interpreted.
ऐसा नहीं हो सकता, आप या चाहेंगे या नहीं
No
चाहेंगे।
sir, you will apply the constitution. My prayer is not going to constrain your interpretation of the constitution. अगर आप समझेंगे कि in these circumstances I should be allowed seats as PTI, I will not refuse obviously. But I'm simply stating that acting on how the election commission treated us, they declared us independents, we therefore had no option but to join the Sunni Ittehad Council. We could not have rejoined PTI because Barrister Gohar was...
Whether that declaration by the election commission was correct?
In my opinion, not. I challenged it, sir. I challenged it. But that is where it stands.